Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Bish from DPS Lamachor. Today in this session, we'll be learning about rectification of errors after preparing trial balance. In the previous sessions, we have studied rectification of error before preparing trial balance. So when we solve the question based on rectification of error after preparing trial balance, a new account is opened which is known as suspense account. Now what is suspense account? See, if the trial balance does not tally due to the existence of one side error, then the accountant tallies his trial balance by putting the difference on shorter side by suspense account. Which means if there is a difference in the total of debit balance and credit balance, that difference will be shown as suspense account. Here is question number 8 of NCERT, page number 218. Question says, rectify the following errors and ascertain the amount of difference in trial balance by preparing suspense account. So the first transaction is credit sales to Mohan 7,000 were not posted. So here error is the transaction of sales to Mohan has not been posted in journal. So now we will to rectify this entry, we will post this journal entry. So journal entry for this transaction will be credit sales to Mohan. That means Mohan's account will be debited to suspense account and the amount is rupees 7,000. Narration will be goods sold to Mohan on credit were not posted. Now rectified. Now the second transaction is credit purchases from Rohan rupees 9,000 were not posted. So here we will pass this entry for this transaction as suspense account debit to Rohan account and the amount is 9,000. Narration for this entry will be goods purchased from Rohan on credit were not posted. Now rectified. So the third transaction is goods returned to Rakesh rupees 4,000 were not posted. So the journal entry for this transaction will be Rakesh account debit to suspense account. Amount is 4,000. So narration for this entry will be goods returned to Rakesh were not recorded. Now rectified. Now fourth transaction is goods returned from Mahesh rupees 1,000 were not posted. So now to rectify this error, we'll post this entry as suspense account debit to Mahesh account. And the amount is rupees 1,000. Narration for this entry will be goods returned from Mahesh were not posted, now rectified. Now, next transaction is cash paid to Ganesh rupees 3000 were not posted. So to rectify this error, we will post this transaction. Entry for this transaction will be cash paid to Ganesh. Ganesh account debit to suspense account and the amount is 3000. Narration for this entry will be cash paid to Ganesh were not recorded, now rectified. And the last transaction is cash sales rupees 2000 were not posted. So journal entry for this transaction will be suspense account debit to sales account and the amount is 2000. Narration for this entry will be cash sale were not recorded, now rectified. So this is how question based on rectification of error after preparing trial balance is solved by opening suspense account. So with this, we have completed this chapter. In the next session, we'll continue with our next chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.